Orange.
Yes.
Yeah!
See Taylor Swift somewhere in Paris with a kangaroo and an orange.
Thank you very much. My name is Justin Piñon and people call me the mental assassin because of my ability to read minds.
Okay.
Meron na? Mabilis. Napunta mo na ba to?
Yeah.
Ooh. Are you thinking of Paris?
Oh my God.
Dun sa animal, are you thinking of kangaroo?
Yes.
Orange?
Yes.
And Eiffel Tower?
Yes.
Thank you very much! Jet, are you thinking of...
Yes.
Yeah! Thank you, Jet.
Later that night.
Meron akong binabatong papel kanina. Ayun, Danjon. Halika dito, Danjon. Gusto ko na yun talaga yung isipin nyo. Lahat ng mga inisip nyo kanina, alam mo kung bakit? I have a prediction. Kanina pa yun nandyan, hindi ko naman hinawakan. Yeah. So, Danjon, please unfold it. Sino to?
Taylor Swift.
Picture ni Taylor Swift.
Flashback.
Sino yung celebrity na sa isip mo?
Taylor Swift.
Taylor Swift! Swift. Yeah, papakita ko muna sa inyo. Picture ni Taylor Swift. Okay?
Oh my God.
Wait.
See Taylor Swift somewhere in Paris with a kangaroo and an orange.
Eiffel Tower.
Eiffel Tower.
And ano yung sinasabi niya?
Person wearing black will think of these things.
Thank you very much! You may keep that. Bigay mo kay Jet. Thank you very much. You can pass it around para makita nilang lahat. Once again, I am Justin Piñon. Enjoy the rest of the evening. Good night!